I want to talk about branding for a second. You've got arguably the most recognizable logo in disc golf, but you know, there's a lot of companies and other players out there that also have recognizable logos, and I've been surprised at how little has been done up till this point. These individuals and these businesses that have put so much work into developing these brands, but they haven't taken the steps to protect them. And I'm talking specifically about trademark work. So that's something that we've worked with you on. I was hoping maybe you could talk about, you know, why do you feel like it's so important for you and others to get some legal protection around their brand?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's pretty simple. Somebody could steal it,
Yeah.
right? And you don't want that, especially the bigger that you grow. I wanted to do it because my goals for my brand are so big that if I ever get to that ultimate goal of whatever that is, and it's not protected, that's going to be worth a lot of money to somebody else who would try to take it from me.
Yeah.
And even as it being small, you should still own it. Nobody else should own that. And then as you own whatever brand you brand, whether it's the logo or whatever, that's yours. And then there's value there, and it just becomes more valuable.
For sure. I think one really important thing for people to understand is what we're trying to do is avoid confusion in the marketplace, or you know, whatever the case may be. And so, you know, it could be seriously detrimental to an athlete or a company's brand if somebody else comes along with a confusingly similar logo or name, and now I'm confused about, is that disc the player that I know and the player that I like and the player that I admire, or is it somebody who is maybe being a little sneaky trying to use a confusingly similar logo to theirs? I just feel.
Or is it an auto body shop in Florida?
Totally, yeah,
You know
exactly.
what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. So I mean that's why I just think, again, I don't recommend that athletes or companies do trademark work to protect their brand so that we can go out and sue a bunch of people. Yeah. What I'm trying to do is create a layer of protection there so that there isn't that confusion out there in the marketplace. I just think that's so important. Paul, it goes without saying, it's an honor to be able to work with you and have you as a client of our law firm. And you know, I would just urge everyone who has any questions about working with us to reach out to us at discgolf.law, or you know, if they see you and you're out and about, maybe you know, have a chat with you. But you know, we're really excited about where the sport of disc golf is going, and we just really want to contribute and try to help the athletes and the businesses involved in disc golf any way we can.
I really appreciate that, and I promise you other players will as well.